Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Innovative Mind, and in today's video I am going to show you how to solve a cube. But before going on the topic, let's know some information about the cube. So, in the cube there are 4 corners, the 4 edges and the center. In all colors it is same. These are the 4 corners, these are the 4 edges, and this is the center. So, before going to solve the cube, this is the information of the cube. So, now this is the information of the cube. Now, let's know the 2 main common algorithms for solving the cube. Right-handed algorithm, that is R. This one is the R, right hand side. R. U means the upper side. U. R prime means R anti-clockwise. And U prime means U anti-clockwise. This is the right-handed algorithm. Now let's know the left-handed algorithm, that is L prime, U prime, L and U. This is the left-handed algorithm. You can practice these 2 algorithms for 5 to 10 times, so you can solve the cube very easily. These 2 algorithms are in the description box also, so you can practice it. Then you can see my next video of the first layer of solving cube. So friends, this is my first video of introduction on the Rubik's cube. In my next video I will tell you how to solve the first layer of the Rubik's cube. So be with me. Bye bye.